Hello everyone. So we are again going to solve a new SQL problem from LeetCode. This is, let me refresh it. I think 20th, because we have solved 19 problems around. Okay, we have solved 19 problems. We are 31 more to go. And okay, just let's try it out. Monthly transaction. It is saying medium problem, so it might be lengthier, but still, anyhow, we have to solve it. So we have only one table, I guess. Okay, we have only one table, transactions. Okay, let's just check it out. What they are actually asking. But we asked month. Okay, now I think now we're using a lot of syntaxes. I don't remember what is substring called syntax. I will just try it out how you to use substring. Still logged out. How to use substring in SQL. Give examples. It might be helpful because okay, we'll read a problem again. Okay, we have the month, we have the monthly transaction count. Okay, the 12th month was 18, 12, 2018, we have two counts. Okay, if you approved count, you have to do transaction total amount, you have to do approved total amount. It's going to be interesting. The main question arises or stays the same. How we are going to use group by month. If we can just get substring, we can use up to del part and we can group by that part. Okay, let's just see what is the substring. We have the string. Okay, what is the format of this? The format of transaction date is date, and we use it on date. Let's see. Start position and length. Start position 1 with 6. So result क्या आएगा 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 open है. Great. Okay. Want to extract that dates here. Not sure what is the best method to do so, but let's try with substring. Can we do so? If we can, we'll try to do it. If we can't, figure something out along the way. Start. So, okay, give me select substring. Substring on we'll use on transaction date. Date we are going for one. Sorry, first position, and see there are 7 characters. 4, 5, 6, 7. We are going to start 7. Okay. The name is as month. Okay, and now from from where? From table name is transactions. See their table name from transactions, and always remember that this is not case sensitive, so we can just write in any capital or small from transactions, and we just run it. Not going to group by it first. I want to say like if this is working out well or not. It's working, I guess. It's definitely working. Okay. So let's just try to group by it month. Okay, group by. Can we do it by month? Can we write it as month, or we need to use this substring transaction 17? So okay, we didn't get an error, but means we can use it like this also. See, we got this. I think something is missing. Don't we need to? Let me check the output again. I missed something. What we going to use goodbye? Why there's something like this? Let me read the question. I didn't read the question even. Okay, right ID transaction. Checking transaction. Say income photo decline. Okay, that is going to find for each month. Oh, write an SQL query to find for each month and country. Transaction amount each month and country. Okay, we need to group by month and country both. Okay, that's the thing I was missing. Okay, that's the mistake I was showing. So let's just call country to. Okay, so basically we have to group by both. You will understand. This what is important. We're using a group by. See this. See, we have last December of 18. So US, January of 19 from US, and January of 19 from DE. Might be Denmark. I'm not sure what country might be. Okay, so we need to group by both. Check this out and see how the table is behaving. Now, these things are, you can just write the syntax or code and check the how the table behaving, like how things are changing, what is getting filtered out. So by doing, you will get see what we have already got it. Now what we need to do? We need to get transaction count. Transaction count. Okay. You can do simply count on this, like there's nothing something like special or something. So just do count. Okay, can we do count or sum? Let's see. Count works or not. Count as transaction count. Count, count, segregate things. Count should work. Count should work. Count should work. Count worked. See, going to work. See, approved count. For approved count, we need to some effort. We need to use the case part, like case when method. And for transaction amount, this will be but a bit easier, I think. We simply need to add approved. We need to do some math work. Okay, so just start. This is medium problem, but it's not medium. It's very easy. Okay. To have the right mindset when solving, just assume question is easy and just start doing it. So case when what we do when we have state equal to approved. Okay, we want to get approved counter. So then one else zero, and we have to end it. And what's our its name? We have approved count approved as approved count. Okay, as approved count. And what we're doing here is we will use the aggregate functions, and this will be some think why we are using some and what will happen. Oh yes, try to think these parts, like, because the more you will think, more time, the better you will get there. Because these things you have to understand. You have to try it, or you have to just make changes in the code, see and learn. Okay, and for the transitional amount, let me just use simply sum of what? Sum of amount as what's his name? Transaction trans total amount. Okay, let me run this part first. Okay, let me run this part, then we will go further. See how much we have reached. This was all. Okay, let's compare the answer only then. See, we have got till this part. We need only one more if else like case. This case statement. This will do control C. Let's just paste it. Okay. And it will be like approved total amount. So let's just rename it as approved total amount. When the state is approved, then we need the transaction amount. State is approved, then give me the amount. Then give me the amount. That amount. Else give me zero. We'll just see how this is running. And did you make a mistake there or not? Okay, it's looking very fine. It's looking fine. So let's just submit it. Let's see. So this is how you can build solution, but it's beating only 5%. Okay, so can we do something better or something? Okay, let's just think. This is also our GPT. Can we optimize this because it is only giving us like it's not a good score. I don't want this. I want something better. Can you give me something better? Okay. Can you optimize this? Can you optimize this? Can you optimize this? Because it's so okay to get a good answer. No, readability, maintainability, and performance. We need performance. Okay. I think this thing can be made. We can use left transaction date. Let's type this. Okay, not to copy paste. We'll just use this Control C. We'll just comment it. We'll go for another method like this. We'll just use left on what? Left on what is the first thing? Left on ID. No, left on date. We call it transaction date. We call it left on transaction date, comma 7. Okay. When you do left or right, you don't need position. Okay, I will ask this question. You will try to understand this. Okay, give me. It's very important to understand. Give me the difference. Give me the difference between substring, left and right in SQL. Okay, we'll try to understand this part, but let me just check will this work as expected or not. Okay, will this is faster? Will this be faster? Okay, this looks better than before. This looks much better than before. Great. So both are working at those. No need to dwell on this. Okay. Okay, let's just try to understand what this means. So when you substring, the same substring concept we know. There's a string, the start position, the length. Okay. But when you use left or right, the left is starts from left from the beginning. So there's no need to give the position. Just you do 4, then OpenAI 4. This gets these 4 characters. When you go for right, and it gets from this end, like from this end of string. Let me take this example. OpenAI 2, this will go from here. OpenAI, this. So 2 characters are AI. Yeah, it will give AI. Handy for suffix extraction. Okay. It's handy for suffix extraction. Get first and get another character get from anywhere. Okay. So that's it for this problem. We'll see you on the next problem. Bye bye.